What if I told you that you could actually take a sip from the fountain of youth and stay young with the power of exercise? In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 exercises that you can do to easily slow down aging. But that's not the full story. By the end of the video, we'll show you the perfect formula to stop time itself and become your most youthful self. But first, what exercises should you follow? Alright, let's jump into our first exercise, squats. Squats are like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They target several large muscle groups all at once, including your buttocks, thighs, and core. When you squat, you're not just building muscle, you're also improving the health of your joints, enhancing your bone density, and boosting your circulation. That means every squat you do is a step towards a more youthful, vibrant you. Now, let me show you how to do a squat correctly. You'll want to stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You can extend your arms in front of you or hold them behind your head for balance. As you lower down, keep your back straight and don't forget to breathe. It's all about control and posture. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps to start with. Moving on to our second powerhouse exercise, it's the plank. This one is a core blaster that does more than just sculpt your abs. The plank not only strengthens your core muscles, but also plays a crucial role in improving your posture and alleviating back pain. And there's even more. It can be a meditative exercise that helps soothe your mind. To plank correctly, start by lying face down. Prop yourself up on your forearms, making sure they're shoulder width apart. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position and remember to breathe. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Now it's time to target another key area, our legs and glutes, with lunges. Lunges are incredibly versatile and beneficial, not just for your lower body, but for your overall health and agility. Lunges are fantastic for working your gluteal muscles, thighs, and even your shins. But the benefits don't stop there. They also help relieve back pain, improve your coordination, and can significantly contribute to weight loss. Let me show you how to do a lunge properly. Start with your feet together. Take a big step forward with one leg, and lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. The back knee should hover just above the ground. Keep your torso upright and your core engaged. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Next up, we got push-ups, an all-time classic that's more than just an upper body workout. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. They're key in preventing sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass as we age. Plus, they support bone health and boost your cardiovascular system. A standout study led by researchers from Harvard School of Public Health found that middle-aged men capable of completing more than 40 push-ups had a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease outcomes, including coronary artery disease and major events such as heart failure during a 10-year follow-up compared to those who could do less than 10 push-ups. This study underlines push-ups as a potent, no-cost exercise for cardiovascular disease risk assessment. For the perfect push-up, place your hands shoulder-width apart and keep your body in a straight line, from head to heels. Lower yourself until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but about doing them right. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps, or modify them by dropping your knees if you need to. Next up, we have the glute bridges, an exercise that's a total game changer for your lower body and core. Glute bridges are incredible for targeting the gluteus maximus, the main butt muscle. But the benefits don't end there. They also strengthen your core muscles and are used extensively in rehabilitation programs. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Place your arms at your sides, palms down. Now, press through your heels and lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze those glutes hard at the top, then lower back down. It's important to keep your core engaged to support your lower back. Try 3 sets of 10 reps to start with. Moving from strength to serenity, our next exercise is yoga. Yoga is not just about bending and twisting, it's a holistic approach to physical and mental well-being. Yoga improves flexibility, which is crucial for a body that's aging. It helps reduce stress and enhances your mental health, giving you a peaceful mind in a strong body. Let's try a few simple poses. Start with the mountain pose to ground yourself. Begin by standing straight with your feet together, heels slightly apart, or hip width apart if that's more comfortable. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Next, ground your feet. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet into the ground. Engage your leg muscles without locking your knees. Keep your spine elongated and your neck long. Your arms should be at your sides, with palms facing forward or alongside your body. Now, the key here is proper breathing. Take deep breaths, filling your chest and lungs fully. Feel the stretch in your body as you reach upward through the crown of your head. Finally, hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. Feel the stability and grounding in the pose. Then, move into the tree pose for balance. Shift your weight slightly onto your left foot, keeping the inner foot firm to the ground. Then, bend your right knee, and then reach down with your right hand to clasp your right ankle. Afterwards, place the sole of your right foot on your inner left thigh or calf. Make sure to avoid placing it on the knee. If balance is a challenge, you can also rest your toes on the ground and place your heel on your ankle. Make sure your pelvis is neutral and your hips are aligned. Press your right foot into your left thigh while resisting with the outer left leg. Then, bring your hands together in prayer position at your heart center. For an added challenge, extend your arms over your shoulders, palms facing each other or touching. Focus on a point in front of you to help maintain balance. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for 30 seconds to a minute, and then repeat on the other side. And finally, let's flow into the downward dog to stretch your back and legs. Begin with your hands and knees on the ground. Hands should be slightly forward of your shoulders, knees directly below your hips. Exhale as you lift your knees from the floor, initially keeping the knees slightly bent and the heels lifted off the ground. Lengthen your tailbone away from the back of your pelvis and press it lightly toward the pubis. Against this resistance, lift the sitting bones toward the ceiling. If possible, straighten your knees without locking them and try to bring your heels down to touch the ground. Press the base of your fingers actively into the ground and open your shoulder blades wide apart. Keep the head between the arms without letting it hang. Hold this pose for 1 to 3 minutes. To release, bend your knees to the floor with an exhale. Yoga is about your journey, so take it at your own pace. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can have profound effects on your overall health and well-being. Diving into our next rejuvenating exercise, we got swimming. Known for its refreshing and energizing effects, swimming offers a phenomenal full-body workout without the strain on your joints. Swimming works every muscle in your body, from your arms and legs to your core and back, making it an excellent choice for overall fitness. It's particularly beneficial for those looking for a low-impact option that's gentle on the knees, hips, and back. Incorporating swimming into your weekly routine is easier than you might think. Aim for a swim session 2 to 3 times a week, starting with 20 to 30 minutes per session. You can mix different strokes to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. Now let's gently shift gears to an exercise that marries movement with mindfulness, Tai Chi. This ancient martial art is celebrated for its health benefits, especially for balance, flexibility, and stress reduction. Tai Chi is composed of slow, deliberate movements, each flowing seamlessly into the next. This not only improves physical balance and flexibility, but also promotes mental tranquility and stress relief. Furthermore, Tai Chi's impact on psychological well-being has been substantiated through a systematic review and meta-analysis focusing on stress, anxiety, depression, and mood. This research included trials that showed significant improvements in stress management and psychological distress among participants. Studies have found Tai Chi to be effective in reducing stress in both healthy individuals and those with specific health conditions, following sessions ranging from a single hour to regular practice over 5 years. For beginners, Tai Chi can seem like a dance of peace and stillness. Start with simple movements, focusing on the flow and your breathing. Picking up the pace, let's talk about cycling, a fantastic way to boost your leg strength, build endurance, and keep your heart healthy. Cycling is an excellent cardiovascular workout that helps lower blood pressure, improves heart health, and burns calories without a heavy impact on your joints. Plus, it significantly strengthens your legs and lower body muscles. Integrating cycling into your daily routine can be both fun and effective. Consider biking to work a few days a week, or take cycling trips with family or friends on weekends. Even a short daily ride can make a big difference in how you feel. Last but certainly not least, walking. It might seem simple, but walking is an incredibly powerful exercise for maintaining heart health, managing weight, and boosting your mood. Walking is accessible to almost everyone, requires no special equipment, and can be a joyful way to explore the world around you. It's a gentle yet effective way to improve your heart health, aid in weight management, and elevate your mood through the release of endorphins. Research shows that people with depression who exercise regularly often do better than those who don't exercise at all. And they also benefit, but to a lesser extent, when the exercise is added with other treatments like medication or therapy. Exercise immediately boosts endorphins, which are chemicals in the body that make you feel good. And this study highlighted how walking is one of the best ways to release these happy hormones. Every step counts, so consider using a step tracker to set and achieve daily goals. Exercise is a powerful tool for staying young and beautiful, but it's only part of the equation. To truly maximize the anti-aging effects of your efforts, paying attention to your sleep and diet is crucial. Combining regular exercise with proper sleep and nutrition creates a powerful trifecta that can significantly slow down the aging process. To know more about what to eat, make sure to check this video out.